How to join public Discord server on mobile. First, open your Discord app. And in the left side of your screen, click this button. If you already have an invite link, just click this Join a Server. Then just paste the link. But if you want to find other servers, just click this button. These are just some other options. But to join a public server, open Safari first and search for discord.com/login. Just log in on your account. Then, click the three lines in the upper left corner of your screen and click this compass button. It will bring you to this page where you can search for servers that you want to join, or simply scroll down and look for available servers that you can join. After choosing one that you would like to join, just click Join Server. Just repeat the steps if you want to join more servers. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.